Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the teeth whitening world, the GLO Classic Brilliant Teeth Whitening Device Kit. This one's designed specifically for sensitive teeth and promises to deliver painless whitening results using a patented warming mouthpiece combined with blue LED light technology. So let's see how it really stacks up. The GLO Classic Kit features a unique combo of heat and blue light to accelerate the whitening process. The active whitening ingredient here is 6% hydrogen peroxide, a concentration that strikes a balance between effectiveness and gentleness, especially for sensitive teeth. The treatment sessions are quick, only about 8 minutes each, which is a nice time saver compared to many traditional whitening routines that can take much longer. The gel is applied inside the mouthpiece, and the warming feature activates when you bite down, supposedly enhancing the whitening effect while reducing discomfort. Using the device felt surprisingly straightforward. The mouthpiece is comfortable, thanks to its ergonomic design, and the warming sensation is mild, definitely not harsh or irritating. I integrated it easily into my routine, usually in the evenings when I had a few minutes to spare. After a week of consistent use, I noticed a subtle but visible brightening effect, especially on the front teeth. It's not an overnight dramatic change, but it's consistent and gentle, which is important for anyone dealing with sensitivity. The LED light itself is discreet, and the device is compact enough to travel with if you're on the go. What I really liked was the combination of heat and light. It seems to optimize the whitening without the common side effects like tooth sensitivity or gum irritation. On the downside, the price point is on the higher side for a home whitening kit. And while the gel tubes last a reasonable amount of time, you'll want to consider how often you'll need to repurchase for maintenance. Also, it's worth noting that this kit is more suited to people with mild to moderate staining. If you have severe discoloration, a professional treatment might still be necessary. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. When compared to other at-home whitening devices, the GLO Classic stands out for its patented warming mouthpiece, which adds a layer of comfort that many others lack. Cheaper LED whitening kits often don't have this feature and can sometimes cause more sensitivity. That said, if you're budget conscious, you could find gels with similar peroxide concentrations at a lower price, but you might have to sacrifice that warming technology and comfort. In terms of build, the device feels solid and well-made. The mouthpiece and the LED light unit are lightweight but sturdy, and the charging case is compact and stylish, making it easy to store and carry. Based on the packaging, the gel has a decent shelf life, but as with any peroxide-based product, it's best to keep it in a cool, dry place and use it within the recommended time frame to maintain potency. I haven't personally contacted GLO's customer service, but they're known for responsive support and solid guarantees, which adds peace of mind when investing in a higher-end beauty device like this. To wrap things up, the GLO Classic Brilliant Teeth Whitening Device is a smart choice if you're sensitive to harsh whitening treatments and want a more comfortable, quicker at-home option. It balances innovation with gentle ingredients to deliver gradual but noticeable results. However, if you're looking for dramatic whitening or are on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other options or professional treatments. Overall, it's a premium product that lives up to its claims for the right user, especially those who prioritize sensitivity and convenience. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the link to purchase this product down in the description box or comments. If you've tried the GLO Classic yourself, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.